Hello, dear customer. This is Evan from QRQ Company. Today, I would like to share with you how we can make the spring lock slider. We also call it three components slider because it includes three parts: slider body, and puller, and spring. So, in this video, let me show to you how we can make it. As you can see, this is the complete production processes and totally 8 processes. So now let me introduce it to you one by one. The first step is pressing. We use the pressing machine to make the spring, and also inside the machine we will use the slider spring mold. And after pressing, we need to die casting for making the slider body, the puller, and also for the die casting machine we have many different model for choosing. And after die casting, we need to separate the products and frame. After separating, we need to polish. We need to polish the slider body and mold. So as you can see, we also have many different kind of model for choosing. For example, the barrel type and the ribbon type. And also, if you have some high quality polishing requirements, then we can also provide you other models. And in this polishing process, we will add some polishing stones. As you can see, the different shape, the round shape, triangle shape, and to improve the polishing effect. And after polishing, we need to separate the products and the polishing stones. So after separate the products and polishing stones, we need to dry. We need to remove the water from the products. And after drying, we need to assembling. We need to assembling the slider body and the puller. And also you can see we have different model for choose. And we have semi-automatic machine and the automatically machine for your choosing. And also we can provide you 3-in-1 model. So what's that mean? That means one complete set include the wire fitting, the pressing, and the assembly. So let me show you the picture. You can see the wire fitting, the pressing machine, and also assembly machine. And after assembling, the production process almost finished. We need to do the last step is that making the color of the slider. So the last step is painting or plating. If you want to, also both of them have the barrel type and the hanging type. So different process correspond to different quality. So it depends on your own requirements, and we can also give you our suggestions according to your requirements. And so after introduce this process, let me show to you which raw material we need. The first one is zinc for the die casting process, and various polishing stones for the polishing process and used for different polishing machines, and then we can get different results. And for example, all of them, and also sometimes we need to the polishing agent and the oil decreasing agent. And beside this, we also need to prepare some spring strip to the pressing to make the spring and use for the pressing machine. And also we need the paint, the thinner and the hardener, and the other chemicals used for plating process and plating process. So this is all raw material. So besides the raw material, and we also have our videos of each machine.
This is our QQ 15 top die casting machine. So this is our QQ product and the water frame separating machine. Look at now, we put the slider inside. This machine work is not so very big because inside we stick the rubber. Hi dear customers, this is our vibrator polishing machine. This is the port for zipper open and using.
So my friend, this is the brief introduction of how we can make in the spring lock slider, also called a 3 components slider. And if you want to get more details of our machines, and if you want to set up your own spring slider making workshop, please contact us. We will send you our catalog. So in our catalog, you can get more information. Thank you.